Hello guys. Um, Today I will open some Topps 2021-22 Champions League cards. So this is exclusive UEFA Champions League trading cards, hobby edition, 4 packs altogether, 8 cards per pack. So one of the short videos, and hope we will enjoy all together and get some decent cards. Maybe Leo Messi card, maybe Leo Messi autograph. We'll see, or some other nice numbered cards, inserts, rookies, and so on and so on. But until we haven't opened these packs, we don't know what we will receive. So let's start. Let's start opening the packs and see what we will receive. So 8 cards per pack, so will be 32 cards, 32 cards altogether. So shouldn't be too long. And we start off Gianluigi Donnarumma, PSG, Kevin De Bruyne, Man City, Karim Benzema. So obviously players are top of the top because it's Champions League. Sven Botman, rookie from Lille, but because actually he's young, so very nice. Dusan Tadic, AFC Ajax. Capital gains back in Madrid is Griezmann and Luis Suarez. Okay. Hans Vanaken from Club Brugge, and the last card is insert, which is Mauro Icardi. So I'll put it here and here. That'll be veteran, rookie, and non-base cards. Let's put it that way. Okay, pack number 2. Thiago Thomas, rookie for Sporting, forward. Manuel Locatelli. Okay, so Thiago Thomas, 19-year-old, Portuguese forward. Okay, I'll sleeve him up. He might have some future potential. It's Sporting, so they're gonna spend a lot of time in Champions League or other international cups, so fingers crossed. Manuel Locatelli. Jordan Henderson for Liverpool, and we have some shiny card at the back. Okay, very nice. Lucas Mecca. I bet he's Dutch. No, German. Okay, nice. Romelu Lukaku for Chelsea, and should we have a rookie? Manuel Akanji, Borussia Dortmund. Okay, BVB 09. Yeah, okay, Dayton Upamecano. And the last card is Ridley Baku. Okay. Champions League logo. Ridley Baku. Okay. Ridley Baku it is. Okay, 2 more packs. 2 more packs. Okay, Marvin Park, Real Madrid. Was he American? Marvin Pack? No, Spanish. Marvin Park. Okay, nice. Interesting name for a Spanish guy. Okay, we have some more shiny stuff. Okay, Brendan Aronson for Salzburg FC. Okay, Ahmad for Man United. Okay. Evanilson for FC Porto. Barcelona, Gavi, rookie. That's the one. Tyler Adams. That's the way to go. Gavi, rookie. Very, very impressive at this point in time for me, as these packs are freebies for me. So that's very impressive what you get out of freebies. Tyler Adams, FC Bayern, Leroy Sané, and shiny is autograph rookie for PSG, Nuno Mendes. How about that? That's what you get from a free pack. Nuno Mendes. Certified Topps autograph. Not numbered, Champions League rookie card. Nuno Mendes. Defender. Wow. Wow. That's definitely wow. Whew. I was impressed by Gavi, but in the same pack to get autograph? Woo! I got my lucky pack. Okay, Curtis Jones, All-Star rookie. Felix Mecca. So that was Ridley Baku. Felix Mecca. Okay. Rookie Kylian Mbappe. Very nice. Phil Foden. Daniel Maldini, son of great Paolo Maldini and Cesare Maldini. That's the world generation after generation playing AC Milan. At the moment, I think he's loaned to another club in Italy, but that's the AC Milan kid, so his whole family, grandfather and father, played for AC Milan. Leroy Sané for the Bayern. Jurriën Timber, and the insert is Future Stars, Ryan Gravenberg. Okay, cool. That's very nice way to finish this pack opening. So I said it won't be long, but because I was so excited of getting Nuno Mendes autograph card, so wow, that's it. It got a little bit longer than I thought so. Gavi rookie. Very impressed, very pleased by this pack opening. So I hope you enjoyed, guys. If so, hit that like button and see you again in my next video.